Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be discussing our good old friend Jasmy, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Looking across the market, I'm sure you guys know at this point, if you do watch my channel on a regular day-to-day basis, we're once again seeing a little bit of a lag across the board. We did see a little bit of a minor pullback on Friday for the crypto space, and again, obviously that is going to impact the majority of the markets. Obviously, a few handful coins here and there that are actually performing good, but in a grand scheme of things, pretty much everything seems to be down right now a little bit. Jasmy, to be specific, is down about 1.2%, while the price is currently sitting at 2.2 cents. Also, in Ethereum comparative, Jasmy's price is actually up 1.3%. So if your end goal is to, obtain as much Ethereum as possible, well, then I'm sure you guys are happy about that. But anyhow, let's take a closer look at it. As always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So the market cap is holding above that $1 billion mark, and again, we know that's a psychological market cap. So to be exact, almost $1.1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about 93 million. And let's face it, guys, a lot of coins right now across the board, the 24-hour trading volume is quite low. To be quite frank with you, I've been clear about this for the longest time. When it comes to coins right now, and a huge amount of coins out there are just not getting that retail interest that a lot of people are waiting for them to get. And you need to point the finger towards dominance index. This is why I teach you guys on this channel the importance of the dominance index, why it's so important not to just kind of forget about it. You always want to analyze that chart, and that is causing a lot of people to kind of not accumulate or actually show interest towards a lot of coins right now, altcoins to be specific. But anyhow, I want to kind of talk about this because I was on I was on Reddit, and someone actually sent me a link about this, and I clicked that link to kind of check out what's the buzz. So of course, you're in that there's that Japanese my card, and obviously the partnership with Apple and the Japanese government. Pretty much, if you want to sum it up, Jasmy is, building that my card, helping build that my card, and of course, that collaboration is between the Japanese government and Apple. So again, obviously, we need to hear more things about that. But this is floating around quite a bit, and a lot of people seem to be excited about this. You can see it says Jasmy PDL Identity Verification Service, and the crazy thing about this is, it's listed on the App Store, right? And this is getting a lot of people excited. This is kind of having people say, oh yeah, that partnership that was formed, it was this, that. So again, we need a little bit more source regarding this before people can come out and say how authentic this is, because guys, anything can be photoshopped, and let's not forget that. So I would take this with a grain of salt, but yeah, let me know your personal thoughts down below regarding this specific screenshot that actually has been surfacing around the community of Jasmy. But anyhow, let's take a look at what's happening with Bitcoin dominance. So as mentioned to you guys, pretty much look at it from just July 14th. You have seen just Jasmy's, I'm sorry, not Jasmy, just the Bitcoin dominance index just going up and up and up. We saw it almost reach 58%, seeing a little bit of a pullback going into the weekend. Bitcoin, on the other hand, still remaining back above 60K. I told you guys the significance of that in the market analysis update, and we did see a second close above the 60K mark, so we'll take that. But if you're looking at Jasmy right now, Jasmy is actually showing a little bit of interest within its price. So first and foremost, what I want you guys to take a look at is how much it's up over the course of the last 2 weeks. So not 2 weeks, over the last 3 to 4 days. So if you picked it up on August 5th, you did see Jasmy actually go up 47.46%. And of course, we did see a little bit of a minor pullback in Bitcoin, and obviously that is going to impact Jasmy. But I'm very impressed, to be quite frank with you, the way it's holding right now. So could it be the news that's circulating around in the community, or is it just that Jasmy is having that momentum for itself? Like I said, we need to wait a little bit more to kind of get a confirmation to see how credible that source is. But the price of Jasmy, just based off of looking at the daily time frame, it is definitely wanting to break towards the upside. Obviously, we did see a little bit of a minor pullback in Bitcoin compared to just on August 8th, where we saw Bitcoin go up to 62K mark. And again, that is going to have an impact on Jasmy as well. You can see this for yourself. Jasmy's price actually wants to break towards the upside right now. It's showing me that confirmation, the way it's currently holding against Bitcoin dominance right now, the way it's shooting up. But there is some massive hurdle coming in its way, as you can see, some significant hurdle too that is coming in its way right now. But if this is able to clear up, guys, I do believe we do see Jasmy reclaiming the 2.5 cents more quite fast. So pay very close attention to Bitcoin right now, and what happens with Bitcoin dominance, especially Bitcoin. Obviously, if Bitcoin does not hold around this support, we retest 58K mark again, then obviously this would get invalidated, and we potentially could even fall down to the 1.9 cents mark. But the way it's currently holding is something I like seeing in the immediate short term, and is giving me a little bit of a feeling that the price of Jasmy actually does want to head towards the upside rather than retesting the lower side. But again, let's take it one step at a time. Let me know your personal thoughts down below. What are your personal projections, and what are your thoughts regarding this speculation that's going around across the board? Love you all. See you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.